today I'm playing Battle League. Today we are guys, just please ignore that. That's just my brother. Yeah. So let's see. All of my Uber dares, guys. This is all of my Uber dares. It's actually 4 or 5. So who will do Uber dare? So these guys will fight off these guys. Guys, let's see who will do. Okay, now let's see who will win. Okay, now let's see who will win. Go guys, go! What? How? How can he? I don't know. At least I have a backline. Wait, I forgot him. At least they won. Yeah. Now guys, let's compete again. But this time it is the old forms. Commander, my favorite. Now 3, 2, 1, let's go. Guys, let's do this. Oh my god, why does the button do? Oh no, my commander is going to die. Let's go, he didn't die. Where is that? I discard. Bro, you know what? I think it's a tie. Yep, it's a tie. Hey guys, so we are going to do all of them, odd and not odd. Okay. There we go. Now let's do this, guys. Guys, please just ignore that, okay, guys? Okay, now here we go. What was the tank? Man, I lost. But guys, did I mention who will do it? Use coil versus barb battle. I know barb will win, but let's we just I want to know fight. Yep, guys, I really did it. Yep. Versus barb battle. 3, 2, 1, go fight. I know barb battle will do. Barb battle will be put many of them. He's going to get hurt. And while that's done, if he gets hurt, much. What? How? Did I actually mention so many barb battlers? You're done this. Yep. No, actually, 44 barb battlers will do this. Yep. See guys, it's already at the... See guys, already a barb battler will win. But now guys, did you know this secret? If you put celebration battle on friendly and one team swap, okay, on friendly and it will spawn the giant move. See guys, let's see how much you can do. So guys, here, you see I don't even have celebration button. If you go here, you descend respawn that, and then while that's done, kill him with someone. Wait, okay guys. So kill him. So we need some resources. So that heals yeah. So can he eat? Wait a minute. There's actually wrong. Fail! Can he eat motorcycle butler? Yup, he can. Who doesn't? I'm going to put my heal on. Sorry, that's healed. My healer. And then, no, I don't want that. And now here. Okay, now he'll get healed. Now let's see. Who will win? Can he eat? Beans yung koala butler. No, he can't. Yes, he can. Actually, yes, he can. But can he eat Winter? Yeah, he can. But can he eat Mall Santa? If he actually eats Santa, then he's an actual monster. Yup, he's an actual monster. He just killed Santa. Who will win? Wesley. Will Wesley? Yup. Maxwell. Can he eat Maxwell? Yup, he can. Can he eat all the souls too? Wait a minute. Can he eat the souls? There we go. Can he eat the souls? Yes, he can! Oh my gosh, yes, he can. Yes, he actually can. He can actually eat the souls. So, can he eat? So, can he eat wing battle? Yes, he can. Can he eat jetpack battle? Yeah, we can. We submit. We can. But can he eat? Striker battle. No, we can. Wait, actually, let's do this. Yeah, we can. But can he eat? But can he eat actually? No. Yes, he can. But not in the invisible mode. Can he eat chainsaw? No, yes, he can. Can he eat Spartan? Yes, he can. Can he eat birthday butler? Yes, he can. Celebration butler? Yes, he can. Sneak. Yep, he can. I know he can. But what? Yes. It is not funny. Yes, he can. Last. Done. Go. Now he can. that's it for the video, okay? So guys, wait, okay? Guys, wait.